Hi, welcome to the TGN YouTube channel. This is Jason. Today I have the latest product from Ubiquiti, which is the Pro Max series. Now do understand that there is the Enterprise series, the Pro Max series, the Pro series, and the normal switches. Alright, so among the Pro Max, there's of course similarly two categories where there is a series with PoE and without PoE. Right, so what are we opening today is we're unboxing the UFW Pro Max 24 PoE. Okay, so I will be stressing again on all the various ports that are available, okay, and some of the reasons why we will be using this particular switch. Okay, so let's open it up and take a look what's inside. Okay, right, it's a rather big switch, okay, and it does have all the accessories. Right, from the back you can see you have your usual power supply, okay, and of course the RPS support. Right, on the front you still have the touch screen. Okay, now one of the major differences is all the switch ports here are 2.5 GbE, 2.5 gigabit. All right, out of which, okay, most of it are PoE plus. Okay, there are ports that are PoE plus plus, which are for the higher end AP, which requires PoE plus plus. So for the PoE plus switches ports, they are on the first 8 ports. Okay, the first 8 ports are 2.5 GbE PoE plus, and the rest are all the plus plus ports. So you can look at the description, it will tell you how many PoE plus plus. Now on top of that, you have 2 SFP plus for uplink and downlink. Of course, you can also convert them to become your LAN port on SFP. Do remember to purchase the Ubiquiti DAC cables. Alright, so DAC cables are your best bets. They have various lengths from 0.5 meters to 1 meter and 3 meter and so on and so forth. Okay, so just purchase the DAC cables according to your rack size. Right, let's look at the accessories. Accessories wise, you have your rack mounting kit, and of course your power cords, and the full set of rack nuts. Okay, and for the mounting of the rack ears, you have your screws and your rubber studs. Okay, if you're putting them on the desk, okay, do remember to elevate up, okay, because it needs the airflow and ventilation. Okay, now the next thing is we're going to talk about is the ether lights. Okay, so a lot of them are very curious about the ether lights. What can you do with the ether lights? You can select the color. For example, if it's data, you can choose green. If it's voice, you can go blue, and so on and so forth. Right, now in order for the lights to come out, okay, you need to buy the Etherlight cables in order for the lights to reflect out. It does not reflect out on normal UTP cables, right? So remember that in order to see the lights, okay, if you want the light to show you what it is, you need to buy the Etherlight cables. So these are the small things that you need to take note when you are using the Pro Max series. Right, if you have any questions or comments, please remember to write down and we will reply them as soon as possible. If the video has been helpful, remember to click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.